Hello guys, welcome back to another drone flight on True Legend. Today we are in southeast London, in the London Borough of Lewisham. We're in New Cross Gate in southeast London, so without further ado, let's start this drone flight. So drone's up in the sky, as you can see. So yeah, we're just gonna go up, zip around, gonna do a 360-degree photo, and we're just gonna zip around this area. So just got to the max height. So there's even trains here. So just gonna go up to the max height and then just gonna do a 360-degree photo. Alright, let's do our 360-degree photo. Alright, 360 photo is complete. We are now just going to zip around. So, as you can see, we've got a southeastern train. Let's just go towards that southeastern train. Let's go towards this little area down here. There's another train going in that area. And here we also got the area down here. Got a building over in this area as well. Let's go towards there. We get a tour of this top of we get a tour of the top of this building over right over here. Look at that. And then we've got the main area down here. Well, that's the Thames, River Thames, and then that's the Canary Wharf area. So over there is Canary Wharf. I go a little bit towards that, but we won't go as far. It looks like there's a little, looks like a warehouse in that area. So just stay around here and get a tour of the area down here. So it looks like we're near a place called Surrey Quays, which is in that area. I done a drone flight in that area. I recognise the building. And that's towards the Canary Wharf area. So yeah, we'll just explore the area. Let's go down towards here. Look at that, nice shot. A little railway bridge right over here as well. Let's get a tour of the area down here. Trains going past, as you can see in here. There's a southeastern train. Let's follow it. It's fast, isn't it? Look at that. We're basically tracking it. We're going to follow a train coming back to the premises. We'll just slow down a little while. And then there's a little chimney in that area. Let's go to that chimney area. Look at that, it goes straight down to the Shard, which is actually insane. Amazing. Just go a bit backwards. Look at that, amazing shot. Looks like the chimney's quite far, so I might not go all the way there to the chimney. So what we'll do, we'll just stay in this area, and we'll come back. We'll follow the train back. So the train going right there. So as the train comes back to the area, I'm just gonna follow it. So where's the train? I don't see it at all. Oh yes, right here. It's moving quite slowly. Look at that. We're moving at the same speed as the train. And there's another train coming in its path. Look at that. Look at that, we're following it the whole way. Let's keep following it until it goes to the area down there. We haven't gone to the south area. Look at that. Going to bring the drone back there. To this side. I haven't been to this side. It's near New Cross Gate Station. Look at that amazing shot as it goes all the way down towards this little area down there. We'll get a shot of the roads area. We'll come towards this little area down here. How can we get a shot? Let's just orbit this little area down there. The wind has picked up a little bit. Let's come back to this area down here. Some side winds. Look at that, nice shot of sunny southeast London. Let's orbit the area down here. We'll just go towards the other road. Let's see what's down this road. So we're going down to different roads. It's like our drone is driving above the roads, but at almost 400 feet above it. Look at that, trains going past. I've seen the I think one of them is the Thameslink as well. The Thameslink go past there. Thameslink. And you've got New Cross Station. New Cross Gate Station is where we're at. So it was pretty much the same area anyway. Just keep going down this road. To explore this road. We'll just get a review shot. What's going on down there? Look, you can see the DLR in that area. Let's go a little bit towards that. Look at that, amazing shot. We get a tour of the area down here. Look at that, amazing shot. What we'll do is just start heading back towards the area down here. A lot of traffic in this area. Then we'll come back towards this area down here. We haven't got a shot at the other side yet. Let's go to the other side. We might not have time for that now because the battery is getting a bit low. The wind has been really calm though. It's not really been windy at all. So this should be a good test of the battery because I'm using two batteries. I've got two batteries for the drone now. Right now I'm using the newer battery that I've got, a Mini 4 battery. And I'm going to use my older one in the next drone flight. I'll see where I'm going to do my next drone flight in a bit. So we got a BM down there, B&M. Let's just get a shot of this area. We haven't been down here. To this area. Got another train going past here. It's another station basically. Then we got the area down here. Let's just go get a tour. Let's just get a tour of this little area down here in this area. We've got a little retail park right over here. We've got a B&M, we've got a Dreams, we've got a TK Maxx. What else have we got? We've got Sainsbury's right in this area down there. Got Sainsbury's car park. Let's get a tour of this area. What we'll do, we'll just start turning back now. So look at that shot. Let's start turning back now in this area. Drone battery's a bit low now, 25%. Actually, we still had enough, but you know, it is what it is. Let's go towards this little area down here, get a low down shot. Got a person on the bike down here. Let's get a low down shot of that quickly. Let's get a low down shot of the station in that area. We can get a low down shot of the trains as well. Actually a bit too low. We don't want to get lost. Let's get a low down shot of the area down here. Alright, let's just bring the drone back now. We're going to land it. 20%. Look at that shot. Let's get a last little shot over here. Alright, let's land the drone now. Let's get a shot of the local area. Let's get a last shot of this little car over here. Got another southeastern train right over here. Let's get a shot of that. And then we'll just land the drone. Alright, let's land it now. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in New Cross Gate in southeast London. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.